Hi everyone, this is Tiger Kim. Today's topic is future offline store with human factors. Today we are going to share a real story about future store. What did I say about the three necessary management elements for the future store? Can you remember? Right, it was special experience, relaxation, and convenience. Can you remember? Okay. Let's take a look at some of the different competitors in the furniture industry. The company released the news in June 2018 on the opening of a new furniture store. This store is called the Container Store. One of the stores I visit every time I go to a major United States cities. This company is a category killer store specializing in storage products for consumers who are similar to IKEA. The store, which started in 1978 and currently operates 90 stores in the United States, is merchandising more than 11,000 products. This is one of the most popular stores I visit when I go to LA. The concept of storage has been set up in stores. In addition to storage, it also covers everything needed indoors, including small and medium-sized furniture. This store introduced a new system in June 2018. These two new systems called the Organization Studio and the Custom Closet Studio. This is not an augmented reality shopping method of new furniture and location choices for customers like IKEA, but an online digital screen method combined with the advice of offline experts. In other words, it is a business model that combines the advantages of online and offline. The Organization Studio system allows customers to schedule one-on-one meeting with experts at offline stores if they take pictures of the space they want, such as their own living room, and put it on the web. By recommending a method of making a purchase decision after receiving advice from a storage expert, we are combining offline sensibility with digital technology. Second, the Custom Closet Studio system appears 18 digital interactive screens in stores, enabling consumers to watch digital content, search for products, or design different collections, enabling shoppers to store or print their own. This will enable consumers to see in advance how the designer of the storage furniture they want to purchase is implemented. Introducing these new projects will consumers to gain confidence in their purchases at the actual offline store because of digital technologies that combines human factors. This will allow consumers to experience a customized suite of closet system and a variety of online and mobile shopping services. Let's get to the point. Container Store is one of the future stores that introduces digital technology with human factors as a storage specialist. If you have a chance to go to a big city in the United States, please visit Container Store to experience the future store. This was a Tiger Games future offline store with human factors. See you next time.